In this video, let's talk about how to use the Bank of America Advantage Banking. Now, in order to use this feature or the Advantage Banking, you need to simply log into your Bank of America online portal, or you can simply log into your mobile application. Now, once you're inside of the platform, you'd be able to do a bunch of things such as optimize your account settings. So within your account settings, you can adjust your account settings online to match your balance sheet and check writing preferences. So this is one of the benefits that you are able to do. Also, you are able to avoid the monthly maintenance fee. Each setting has a different criteria layout to automatically waive the monthly fee. So depending upon what you have, such as SafeBalance or Advantage Plus, depending upon your Advantage banking, you'll be able to avoid the maintenance plus. Also, you'd be able to deploy key features such as linking your Balance Connect as well as to talk to Erica. So these are a few benefits that you get with the Advantage banking of Bank of America. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.